when I called the school district, Elwood School District.
You have reached Elwood Union Free School District. Office hours of operation are from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Please listen carefully as our menu options have changed. If you know your party's 4-digit extension, you may dial it at any time. To reach one of our school buildings, press 1. For the registration department, press 2. For the transportation department, press 3. For the department...
Superintendent.
You have reached the Elwood Transportation Office. If you are calling before 8 a.m. and need immediate assistance, please contact Huntington Coach at 631-261-0354. Otherwise, please leave a message and your call will be returned as soon as possible. Thank you. Please leave your message after the tone. You may hang up when you have finished.
Name is Mr. Haney. Number is 516. I need to speak to someone about an incident related to a school bus this morning. 516-297-9150. Thanks. That bus stopped by right in front of my driveway. Picked up children and then released huge amount of smoke. I'm usually on my deck having my breakfast, so that coincided with the time that I go on the deck to have my breakfast. So the entire backyard is full of exhaust. It's not the first time a school bus does that. It's a pattern. I complained to the police department once, the 2nd precinct. You told me to call the school district, and I just did. Left a message. Hopefully someone will get back to me. Unbelievable. Time, like I said, was a huge amount of smoke that was released right in front of my backyard at the time when I go out the backyard to have my breakfast. So we wait for the school district to call me. Now I'm going to email the superintendent of the incident as well right now, because I don't trust him to call me back. Well, I'm going to post this video on YouTube as well. Elwood School District bus services.